I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to set the DND or Do Not Disturb mode on the Fitbit Charge 5. So to do this, we're going to go back to the home screen as I'm doing here, and then we're going to swipe down, and that's going to pull up our settings, and we just scroll till we get to the DND mode. You can see I've got it switched on right now. I can switch it on and off just by toggling with that button. So what does the DND mode do? It's basically a daytime mode that prevents the Fitbit Charge 5 from sending you a bunch of notifications. So if you've got this switched on, it won't give you call notifications. It won't give you goal celebration, vibrations on the watch, like if you reach your step goal for the day, and it won't give you your reminder to move notifications. Again, those little vibrations that the watch does. And the idea of this is that, you can set the DND mode if you are, for example, in a meeting or you're in class or you're somewhere where you don't really want to be bothered by notifications on the watch. So you can switch that, again, on and off with the DND mode on there. Now, one caveat here, if you've switched the sleep mode on, then the DND mode is going to be grayed out. And that's because sleep mode does basically the same things as DND, except it's going to do some other things like dimming the screen on the Fitbit Charge 5 here. So if you notice that your DND mode button doesn't seem to be working, check if your sleep mode is on. Sleep mode must be off to use DND mode because it's really designed to be a daytime mode. So I can switch this on and off. Here we're not going to receive those notifications that might bother us at sensitive times, or we can just switch this back off and go back to the home screen, and we'll receive our notifications as normal. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.